So here I am at the shop. We're gonna check what is wrong with my AC because it's not working inside and it's getting hot. Today is like 67, 62, something like that. Not too hot on temperature wise, but in direct sunlight you really warm up. And I've been driving with only the top down and it's been great and all, but you don't want that extra wind that usually comes with it. We just checked the compression on the AC unit itself and the compression is looking good. So my dad suggested I go to get a scanner and scan the computers because seems like the compressor or something is not turning on and functioning to create the cold air. Okay, so it's scanned through and there's power control module, 1 fault, body control module, 1 fault, as well as connectivity master unit, 2 faults, and smart start unit, 3 faults. I'll go take a look at them and see if there's anything that's standing out. So using a computer to scan for codes did not show anything. There was some theft detected and vehicle immobilization when it happened when I was opening doors and somehow the car was locked. There was some other stuff for my steering wheel which has been replaced, as you can see. And there was like left module and right module for volume and such, and cruise control, so useless stuff that doesn't really affect me at all. Now we're gonna go in with a tester and check the voltages and if there's actually current on the resistors and see if anything has burned out that we need to replace, and maybe that will solve the problem. After looking around and checking all the fuses, we found this fuse right here, this one, which is 15 amps, and it is getting power on both sides. But this, the actual AC relay was not getting power on one of the things. We dropped the temporary just like wire. This is not a permanent fix. It's just for now so I can have it. And once I get home today or tomorrow, I'll open up, take off this whole fuse box and look at the bottom. What's up there, and do I need to fix the wiring? Because the crash did happen right here, so it could have been that wire exactly got snipped. This right now is just a temporary fix so that we can have cold air, and the air inside is nice and cold. Okay, so there we go. You've seen me go through the process of no AC. Let's find out what the problem is. And well, we got the issue. It seems like the wire is snapped somewhere at the bottom of the fuse box, like I've said. I think I did, and that will need to be looked at again and open up, check out the wires and check the exact ones between the AC fuse and the AC relay. I actually came home and started taking a look at it right away, and it was very simple. I should have just done this at the garage because, well, we have all the tools there. So I'm gonna wait a little bit, have Dad bring over home a handheld welder so we can weld up the wire. Let's take a closer look. And here it is. You see, here is the fuse box. When you pop it open, just like so, you can see there is a single brown wire just sticking out like that. And it's connecting to that cable. We can't really see it much, but there it is. That needs to be cleaned up, as well as, I don't know how we're gonna do that. We might push out the pin and then just put them together, weld them up, and put it back, and it should be good. Take a look right there in the middle. I was in the house and Dad came from work and he already did it. I was not able to record or help out because I didn't know he was here, but there he goes. I don't know if you can see that. He did the job and it's soldered on there. Very easy. Let's just assemble it back and should be good. Let's test it after assembling everything back into place. And there we go. Everything is done and complete. Batteries back in place. And the car should start without an issue. I mean, I think I connected everything properly. Let's actually see. And okay, that was a bit weird. It wasn't starting, but that was because when he replaced it, he pulled out the little bridge that we had, and the 15 amp fuse was not in place, which did not start the car. And there we go. Everything's working and running now, which is great. And AC should be working as well. If we go in here, give it some juice, AC on, and put it to this. That's cold, baby. We love that. Okay, look at that. That's great. thank you for watching. That was quite an easy fix, and well, we did it quite quickly as well. Didn't take much, and my AC now works. The car is actually seems to be fully done, except for the front parts. Well, that's whatever. I think we might be going hoodless in the near future and with a broken front bumper, because the other Project Miata 2 is being finished up and he needs these black parts. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.